Measuring 27 volts between W and C, but still getting no heat indicates a signal is reaching the control board. Yet downstream components or safety limits are preventing system activation. Start by verifying the measurement method. Use a true root mean square multimeter and measure with the thermostat calling for heat, confirming polarity and steady voltage rather than a transient spike. 27 volts is typical from many thermostat circuits, but what matters is whether the control board is receiving and acting on that signal. Next, confirm the control board actually interprets W as a heat call by checking the board's service terminals or diagnostic LEDs and consulting the manufacturer wiring diagram. A stuck relay or failed optocoupler can accept the signal but not drive outputs. Inspect and test the limits and safety devices, high limit switches, rollouts, flame sensors, pressure switches, and door interlocks. By measuring continuity or observing status indicators, any open safety will inhibit ignition even with a valid W signal. Test the ignition sequence, watch for spark or hot surface igniter operation, and if using a hot surface igniter, measure its resistance and current draw because a partially failed igniter can glow yet not reach ignition temperature. Evaluate the gas valve by checking for valve coil resistance and, where safe and permitted, measure the controlled output voltage from the board to the valve during a call. A board that outputs the correct control voltage but sees no valve movement indicates a stuck or failed valve. If the control board does not produce output despite the W signal, further isolate the failure by swapping with a known good board or performing component level checks on relays, triacs, or driver transistors per the schematic. 3 common issues cause this symptom: faulty control board output. Solution: confirm W input, then test the board's heat output terminal and replace or repair the board if no drive is present. Failed gas valve. Solution: verify coil resistance and apply proper controlled voltage to the valve while following gas safety procedures. Replacing the valve if it does not open, and safety interlock or sensor open solution. Systematically test limits, pressure and flame sensors for continuity and correct operation. Bypass only momentarily and with all safety precautions to confirm which sensor is open before replacing it. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by listing trades, verified reviews, and project matching tools tailored to heating and furnace work. The platform also helps contractors get quality leads and manage client inquiries so skilled technicians find appropriate jobs.